Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Auto Repair. If you re-driving a 6.0 Powerstrokes, you already know it's a powerhouse, but to keep it running at its best, you need the right tools. And today, I am sharing the best scan tools that will keep your truck in top shape. So, let's jump right into it. First on the list is the Edge Evolution CT3. If you're looking for an all-in-one tool, this is it. It's not just for reading codes. This thing lets you track real-time data, monitor your truck's performance, and even tweak your tuning. The touchscreen? Super intuitive. Whether you a pro or just someone looking for quick answers, this tool makes life so much easier. It gives you everything from fuel pressure to engine temperatures, helping you spot potential problems before they turn into expensive repairs. Next up, the Auto Ingenuity Enhanced Ford Scanner. This is a game changer if you serious about diagnosing your 6.0 Powerstrokes. It can read all the important codes like IPR and FICM, which are key for fixing common issues like injector or oil pressure problems. If you doing heavy-duty diagnostics, this tool is a must-have for your toolkit. And if you on a budget but still want something powerful, check out the Forkin app with the Oink X adapter. This combo connects to your tablet or laptop, giving you advanced features like power balance tests and even module reprogramming, all at a fraction of the cost of other tools. So, what's the best option for you? Well, it all depends on what you're looking for. Want a complete, high-performance tool? Go for the Edge Evolution. Need serious diagnostics? The Auto Ingenuity has got your back. And if you on a budget but still want quality, now you've got the inside scoop on the top scan tools for your 6.0 Powerstroke. Keep your truck running smooth and save yourself time and money. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tips every week. Got a favorite scan tool? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Catch you next time.